I would like to welcome you to the Community College of Baltimore County, and I would like to welcome you to DCOM101 Introduction to Data Communications. My name is Dan Whitaker, and I am an Associate Professor of Network Technology at CCBC, and I will be doing this course introduction. In this course introduction, we will look at the purpose of the class, the topics that we will be covering, the format of the class, grading, course navigation, and what you need to do to get started. So let's start out with the purpose of the class. The purpose of the class is to provide the student, to provide you with an overview of the principles, practices, and technologies of data communications and computer networking. This course is designed to help the student prepare for a career as network technician, network administrator, or network engineer. And it is also an elective or distribution for other programs such as nursing, programming, or engineering. This is the purpose of the class. Now let's discuss the topics, that is to say, what we will be covering in the class. And if we look at our textbook, Guide to Networking Essentials, 7th edition, which is available at the bookstore or online, and if we look at the table of contents, we will see that there are 13 chapters: Introduction to Networking, Network Hardware Overview, Topologies and Technologies, Network Media, Network Protocols, IP Addressing, Network Reference Models and Standards, Hardware in Depth, Network Security, Wide Area Networks and Cloud Computing, Operating System Fundamentals, Network Management and Administration, and the last chapter is Troubleshooting and Support. These are the topics that we will be covering. Format, what you will be doing each class. In this class, you have 5 things to do each week. You read the chapter in the textbook, watch the instructional video, perform the hands-on exercises, read a case study, and submit a brief written analysis, and take the online quiz. So let's take a look at that. Under course navigation, we log into Blackboard, and after we log into Blackboard, it takes us to this course, DCOM101, and here is our home page. If you look under announcements, you can see that there currently are no announcements. Under announcements, in the Getting Started section, you can see that you have 5 things to do each week, and here is our course introduction video, and that's where we are right now. Under Getting Started, you see the syllabus, which contains the course description, and here is our all-important schedule. Under the schedule is instructor contact information, and under My Grades, you can see what your grades are for the course. Under course content, for each chapter, you will see each chapter is structured the same way. If we look at chapter 1, you will see that you, 1, read chapter 1 in the textbook, and then you watch the video which corresponds to chapter 1, and to watch the video, you click on this link right here, which takes you to a YouTube video. After watching the video, you do the hands-on exercises, and then you do the case project, whereby you read the case project and submit a brief written analysis. And then the last thing you do is you take the chapter quiz. Notice this is an open book quiz, and you can take this quiz an unlimited number of times, so I expect everybody should be getting 100s on these quizzes. Each chapter, you got 5 things to do. Read the chapter, watch the video, perform the hands-on exercises, do the case study, and then take the online quiz. This is the format. of the course, grading. Your grade is based on 5 criteria. The weekly quizzes altogether make up 20% of the grade. The case studies make up 20% of the grade. The midterm exam, which is taken online, is 20% of the grade. And the project, which is based on the hands-on exercises, is 10% of the grade. And the final exam makes up a full 30% of your grade. Note, the final exam must be taken at the CCBC Testing Center. Questions? Anybody has any questions about anything, please contact your instructor. In summary, the purpose of the course is to provide the student with an overview of the principles, practices, and technologies of data communications and computer networking. Each week, you read the chapter, watch the video, perform the hands-on exercises, do the case study, and take the online quiz. What to do next? The next thing you should do is to log on to Blackboard and to introduce yourself to the class, then to buy the book at the bookstore or online, and then go to Blackboard and get started on Chapter 1. And this concludes our course introduction for DCOM 101 Introduction to Data Communications.